how to add a custom image background on keyboard on Android phone. So if you want to set your own photo as your keyboard's background, for example, then I'm going to show you how you can do this. Firstly, and most importantly, what you're going to do is you're going to go in Play Store and install Gboard app if it's not installed yet, because on some devices it is installed by default, for example on Google Pixel and so on. Now, after it is installed, go ahead and open your settings and here scroll to find the general management. Now we need to choose keyboard list and default. And after that, you should see the list of your keyboards, including Gboard. So just toggle on the switch to enable Gboard. Now what we're going to do is we're going to tap on default keyboard and from Samsung, switch to Gboard. Let's tap on the Gboard section again and you will see option to change theme. We just need to tap on it and here you can either scroll through the list and set different color, or you can tap My Themes, tap on the plus, access your gallery and choose photo you want to set as your background image. For example, I'm gonna use this fun photo of my cat, and now we just need to pinch to scale, drag to move, and once you're satisfied, tap next. Then you can also customize it further by adjusting brightness. For example, I will set 100 and click done. Now you can enable or disable key borders and after that tap apply if you're satisfied. Now let's check the result. I'm gonna open messages, trigger my keyboard, and here it is, my own photo. Also, you can tap on the palette here above the keyboard. And with this way, you will also access theme settings and you'll be able to change it in the future. That's it. Don't forget to hit subscribe to see more useful content.